Noah, what are you eating?
Pizza.
Pizza. Mmm. What kind of pizza is it?
Blueberry.
It's blueberry pizza? I think there's peppers on it. Do you see any peppers? Mmm. Noah, are you very hungry? Did you just wake up from a really long nap?
Papa.
Oh.
Papa.
You want Grandpa to have muffins? Where is Grandpa right now?
Fish.
Where is he?
Fish.
He's at work, yeah. Where's Auntie Lauren?
Fish.
Oh, wait. Who did you meet today?
Uh.
Who'd you meet today? Who came over to play with you? Do you remember? Did Mari come over?
Mario.
Mario too, yeah. Yeah, your new friend Mari, yeah. Noah, your hair looks really good today. What happened to your hair? Did you get a haircut recently? Haircut, yeah. All right, buddy. Well, enjoy that pizza. Mommy loves you. You love pizza? Bye, Noah. Say bye-bye.
Bye.